Good morning. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Morning. Morning, Prissy. Morning. Ready for breakfast? Good morning, baby. Good morning. Good morning, Sierra. Morning, bud. Okay, we're going outside now. Good. Shanti. You're all five, waiting for breakfast. Hey, buddy. What you want, buddy? Hey, baby, ready? 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 Baby, ready? 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 Ready, baby? Buddy, ready? Ready? I know. I know, buddy. I know. And everybody's seen this, so I'd say just get more of them than me, because everybody knows this routine. I've done it so many times. But I know, you little beggar boy, and he's trained now. He used to jump up here. He doesn't do it anymore because whenever he does, actually, if you got cats, you gotta have these. Yeah. This is great because if they get up, you don't know it. I wait, I go get it, and it's like I spray, and then I wait until the moment it hits them, and I go bah! And they get the spray and the sound at once. Literally now, if I even with the other guys, if I even reach for that bottle, they stop doing whatever they're doing. Oh, first of all, is the Taliban. Come on, Callie. Come on, buddy. There's the tail monster. Prissy girl. Shanti. Okay. Shanti girl. Baby girl. There you go. And Miko man. Patient boy. There you go, buddy. There you go. Okay. And letting them out in treat game. Their realm outside. All right, here we go. There we go, guys. There we go. This is my living room. My porch. Hey, you gonna play, Miko? There goes Shanti. Sierra? Oh. Prissy, ready? I throw treats, they go find them. Hey, Shanti. Just water on her face. I know, you don't like it. I don't like it either, baby. Here we go.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Brushing Shanti's teeth.
One more for the clean. Okay. Just one last time for today. Look at this guy, easy. Clean the teeth.
As you can see, our beautiful garden is an important part of the sanctuary we created at the Beehive, which takes a lot of work. We spent many Sunday afternoons gardening with our kids delightfully joining us. All right, one more time. Okay. I'm gonna give her a little bit. Shanti, carry you. Okay, baby, carry you. She's not grumpy. Okay, baby girl. A little snacky. How about this? Oh yeah. Chicken. Yum. Snacky. Hug that snack.
Okay, that's
She just mauls him. She mauls him. Okay. Drifting off of dreamland into the land of business. Night, baby. Night, night, Chanticleer. I've come to collect the Mikoran. This is his spot. This is his depth. Scarred baby girl. That battle scarred ear. Those hairs, has a nerve ending, so they're very, very sensitive. So very sweet and tender, although okay, mommy's going to bed. So right now it's Ciara, girl, and the queen.